Hey everyone, given a function, we have f of x and a 0. Our 0 is 1. We're going to find all the zeros of the function. If this is a 0, then that means our factor is x minus 1. So for this one, since we have 1, what I'm going to do is use synthetic division, and I'm going to write my 1 here. Everyone does this a little different, but this is how I do it. And we have all the necessary, make sure you have your 3, 2, 1. This is like 7x to the 0. That's your constant term. Draw a little line here and pull down your 1. And then what we do is we're going to multiply and add, multiply and add. And since it's a 0, this should equal 0. That's our remainder. 1 times 1 is 1. Add the negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Multiply 1 times negative 2, you get negative 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. 1 times 7 is 7. Negative 7 plus 7 is 0. So now that we started with x cubed, you go down 1. So this is going to be your x squared part. So x squared minus 2x plus 7 is a factor. So we're going to set this to 0. And if you notice, you can't factor this. So we're going to have to use the quadratic formula on this one. So we have x squared minus 2x plus 7. All right, and we want to set this to 0. So for the quadratic formula, my a would equal 1, my b equals negative 2, and my c equals 7. So we're going to have x equals negative b, so that's going to be positive 2, plus or minus square root of negative 2 squared minus 2ac, all divided by 2 times 1 is 2. So let's see what this is real quick. This is going to be 4 minus 28. I like to do this on the side. So this is going to be square root of negative 24. This is going to give me square root of negative 1 times square root of 4 times square root of 6. So what we're going to end up getting is 2 plus or minus. I'm going to go ahead and put this under each piece. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of negative 1 is I. And then we still have square root of 6 divided by 2. Again, I just put the 2 under each of these pieces, each of these terms. So this equals 1. That's equals 1. So you have I square root of 6. So these are your other two solutions. We have 1 plus I square root of 6 and 1 minus I square root of 6. And the other solution is x equals 1, the one they gave us. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.